doing an install on a retractable license plate. This is how it looks like.
Okay, there's a hole over here. Wow.
Pretty much got two holes, two
We
right there.
got 3 screws in it.
I'm putting 2 more.
One more.
So we're gonna put about 5 all together.
It'll be 5 or 6. Wow. Okay, you want me to put another one? One more on the front?
Yeah, just 1 more in the front to keep it sturdy. And this is how it looks like.
I can put another one over here. That'll be nice and tight.
Okay, let's put another one.
Let's see if this thing goes back. Oh yeah. There you go.
So there we go. Easy as that. And it goes down like that.
Goes up like that.
It's pretty much as easy as that. It's a show and go. I got this on Amazon for about 45 bucks. Pretty cheap. It's a manual one. I live in California, so you gotta show your front license plate, but you know, sometimes when you don't want to show it, you could just hide it, you know. And if you guys are wondering what kind of car I have it on a S-Class Mercedes Benz. This will work pretty much for all types of vehicles. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up.